Namaste students. In polymer unit, one or most important topic is elastomers. I already told you elastomers has weak van der Waals force of attraction, so they can be stretched easily and we remove force, then they come back to their original position. So very weak van der Waals force present in elastomers. Today my topic is natural rubber and its vulcanization. Natural rubber obtained from latex of rubber plant. You know very well, in some country like Sri Lanka, Indonesia, in our southern part, rubber plant is present. From the latex we obtain natural rubber. What is natural rubber? Natural rubber is isoprene. Monomer unit is isoprene. In natural rubber, monomer unit is isoprene. Isoprene is its common name. Its IUPAC name is 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. 2-methyl, we naming it 1, 2, 3, 4. At 2 number position, methyl group is present, chain of 4 carbon, and 1,3 position double bond is present. So its name is 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. It is a monomer unit. When we take n unit of isoprene, then polymerization takes place, and after polymerization it combine like CH2 double bond convert to single bond, CH3 double bond CH2, we close this bracket and whole n. This is the polymer of natural rubber. But how it is attached? One monomer unit attached with other monomer unit by 1,4 addition. It is known as 1,4 addition. What is 1,4 addition? In 1,4 addition, let us see here how two monomer units join together and why it is called 1,4 addition. In this addition, CH2, C, double bond C, CH3 and H group present on same side, then again CH2. And in this CH2, next monomer unit joined by other carbon, and here CH2, C, double bond C, CH3, H, again next carbon is joined. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the addition that takes place in both two monomer unit. Two monomer unit joined by 1,4 addition. So this is the point here ki how two units join with each other, and it is also known as cis form. CH3 and H group on same side, CH2 and CH2 on same side. This position is also known as cis form. In geometrical isomerism, we study two forms, cis and trans form. In natural rubber, the rubber obtained, it is known as cis form. Only the one form that is obtained from isoprene, that is synthetically formed, known as gutta percha. This rubber is known as, when we prepare it, when it is prepared with synthetically, then it is known as gutta percha. In this, the form is trans form. You learn it. Natural rubber is obtained in form of cis form. Synthetically when we made it, it is known as trans form. So it is all about the natural rubber. But student, you know, the natural rubber obtained is very weak elastomers, or we can say it is easily deteriorate. When we put natural rubber in air, then decomposition takes place by the oxygen present in atmosphere or easily attacked by chemical reagent like oil, like acid. So we increase the property of natural rubber by the help of vulcanization. That is the next topic of this video, the vulcanization of natural rubber. What is vulcanization? And it is very, very important to increase the property of natural rubber. What is vulcanization? When natural rubber heated with sulfur. Sulfur is 5%. When it is heated, then natural rubber convert to vulcanized rubber. Then natural rubber convert to vulcanized rubber. What is vulcanized rubber? In vulcanized rubber, sulfur form cross-linking between two linear chain of natural rubber unit. How? Natural rubber is CH2, C, CH3, double bond CH, CH2, that is the one unit. When we take 2 unit of this, and we add sulfur and heating it, then double bond of these 2 units break up, convert to single bond, and in this single bond sulfur is attached. Sulfur is attached like this. Sulfur is attached. That is the known as cross linking. When cross linking takes place, then hardness of natural rubber increases. You know, the rubber in the form of uses as the tires, as the covering of outer covering of some utensils. That time rubber is the vulcanized rubber is used. When we use natural rubber, it is very soft in nature. When we heat it in presence of sulfur, the natural rubber convert to a cross-linked way. Number of cross-linking increases, then its property also increases. For example, when we add 32% sulfur in it, then it is known as ebonite. It is the hardest rubber that is obtained after vulcanization, and it is used for the formation of covering of batteries. So students, what is vulcanization? Vulcanization is the heating of natural rubber with sulfur. So cross linking increases. Due to cross linking, property of natural rubber increases. How? कैसे increase होंगी? Because cross linking present between two linear chain. When cross linking present, then it cannot be easily break up. It cannot be easily attacked by acid or other organic solvent or oxidized by air. So to increase the property of natural rubber, we do vulcanization. So what is natural rubber? Natural rubber is the isoprene. Its common name, its IUPAC name is 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. When vulcanized this natural rubber, it convert to vulcanized rubber, and due to vulcanization we increase the property of natural rubber. So this is all about in this video. Thank you.